Hey plant lovers! Welcome back to Billy's Garden. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Aglaonema propagation. I'll show you two super easy methods, stem cuttings and division. Let's get started! First up, stem cuttings. This method is great for reviving a leggy Aglaonema. Step 1. Choose a healthy stem with at least 2 to 3 nodes. Using clean sharp scissors or pruning shears, cut just below a node. Remove any lower leaves to expose the nodes. You can either root the cutting in water or plant it directly in moist soil. For water propagation, place the cutting in a jar of clean water and change it every few days until roots develop. For soil propagation, dip the cut end in rooting hormone. This step is an optional process, and then plant it in well-draining soil. Keep the cutting in a warm, bright spot with indirect sunlight and maintain humidity. In a few weeks, new roots will form and you'll have a brand new Aglaonema. Now let's talk about the division method, perfect when your Aglaonema is full and bushy. Step 1. Carefully remove the plant from its pot. Gently shake off excess soil to expose the root system. Identify natural clumps or offshoots with your own roots. Using clean hands or a knife, separate these sections. Repot each division into fresh, well-draining soil. Water lightly and place in a warm, humid spot to help them settle. And that's it! 2 easy ways to propagate your Aglaonema. Whether you choose stem cuttings or division, you'll have thriving new plants in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more plant care tips. See you in the next video. Happy planting!